Lower gym cost, which means lowering the cost of being healthy. Lots of people wish they could go to the gym every day, but some memberships are expensive and people can't afford to pay that monthly fee. It's like they're charging people to be healthy. We should encourage others to exercise more and spend more time at the gym with other people that have the same goals as them. Gyms should lower their membership costs because it will decrease obesity, health problems, and taxes. Obesity has reached epidemic proportions globally, with at least 2.8 million people dying each year as a result of being overweight or obese. One of the biggest problems today is the percentage of obese people. More than one-third of U.S. adults are obese. Overweight and obesity conditions affect an estimated amount of 97 million Americans. It is also the second leading cause for death in the U.S. Here are some obesity stats. Obesity in America. Overweight adults, 29%. Obese adults, 34%. Morbidly obese adults, 6%. And only healthy adults, 31%. They say that by 2030, about 32 million more Americans will become obese, upping obesity rates to 42% of the U.S. population. If gym memberships were inexpensive and affordable, more people would be able to become healthier and fit. In order for us as a nation to lower the percentage of obesity, gym costs would have to be lower, which will encourage and promote better health. Obesity over time will increase, as you can see on this graph. Obesity stats. Quadrupled among children, tripled among adolescents, doubled among children. Today, nearly 23 million children and teens are either overweight or obese. When being overweight is a health problem. Another big issue is health problems that many Americans face. Obesity-related conditions include stroke, cataracts, obstructive sleep anemia, heart disease, hypertension, pulmonary disease, type 2 diabetes, breathing problems, heart attacks, lower life expectancy, bone problems, deep veins, thrombosis. All of these come down to obesity. Did you know that this costs you money? Doctor bills, prescriptions, unpaid sick days. Shall I go on? Remember, it costs you more to be unhealthy. Get healthy and save money. You have a choice. On this graph, here is the obesity medical cost. It goes up every year more and more. 1995 increases, 2001 increases, 2005 increases, 2009 increases as well. On this pie chart, you can see all that green, that is what the U.S. spends on people that are unhealthy or obese. The medical cost of obesity in the U.S. was $147 billion in 2008. In 2008, the medical cost for people who are obese was $1,429 higher than those of normal weight. Insurances go up every day. It is expensive to be unhealthy. For example, Blue Cross, Blue Shield, Medicare, Medicaid all go up with the percentage of obese people and diseases. These people have to go to the doctor almost every month and have to have a nurse with them at all times because of their conditions. And taxpayers like us have to pay in order for them to keep, going to the hospitals, having their nurses and all of that. And as you can see as well, overweight 346, moderately obese 807, severely obese. It continues to go up. But if we reduce the cost of gyms and more people attend, insurances will go down because there'll be less unhealthy people. But if they continue to be high, obesity will be high, unhealthy people will be high, our taxes are going to be high as well. That's why we must reduce the cost of gyms. And although those in favor of not reducing gym prices may argue that the gym isn't that expensive, it has been shown that most people stop going to the gym because they can't afford to keep paying $70 a month. Everyone has different financial problems, whether it's being a single parent, a parent paying child support, or a teenager in college with a minimum wage job. Some may think that just because the prices are lower doesn't mean that more obese or unhealthy people will attend the gym. However, in proven studies, when prices are reduced, people tend to buy more of it or buy it at all. Regardless, if only 30% of more people attend the gym more often or at all, it's a start to encouraging others to be healthy. All they need is a little more motivation. Besides this, this would be a big step to decreasing obesity, health problems, and taxes. We must lower gym cost.